Hello, I'm Kirsten from the Therapy Revolution. Today I'm talking to you about emotions. Now, we all have emotions, and they're actually there for a really important reason. They're there because they give us information to help us live our lives and know what's going on for us and what's important to us. Sometimes, and for most of us, as we grow up, we begin to categorise emotions. So we categorise some as good and some as bad, some that we like and some that we don't like, some that we can express and others that we can't express. Whilst we all do that, the problem with categorising some emotions as bad is that we don't then look at those emotions. We tend to avoid them, not talk about them, try and not feel them, to even just distract ourselves when we do. Those are the emotions that tend to trip us up. They're the emotions that are worth paying attention to. So when you're thinking about developing yourself and your understanding of who you are and your emotions, it's really worth thinking about what emotions do you categorise as bad. It can be anything. So a lot of people do. It's sadness, it's fear, it's anger, but some people, anger's fine. Some people might think, do you know what, being confident, that's a bad emotion. They don't feel comfortable with that, being excited, and they tend to push all of those things down. So a good starting place. Think about, maybe write down a list of all the emotions that you experience and write down the ones that actually you categorise as bad, and then notice them. Just go about your normal life and notice when you might be feeling that way, when you might be feeling sad, if sadness is one that you tend to push away. Notice when you're feeling sad and acknowledge it. Bring it in and try and listen to what it's telling you.
If you found this useful, visit our website to find out about our online courses, free support group and other resources available. You can also check out our YouTube channel for lots more free videos.